We're going to draw and color rainbow poppet fidget toys in various shapes. It's going to be a pop-tastic adventure, so let's jump right in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First things first, grab your paper and your trusty black marker. We're going to start by drawing our rainbow poppet fidget toys in different shapes. Let's begin with the apple-shaped poppet. Draw an apple shape on your paper. Remember, apples can be round or slightly oval. Next up, let's draw a flower-shaped poppet. Flowers are nature's masterpiece, so make it as beautiful as you like. Now, let's draw an octagon-shaped poppet. Octagons have 8 sides, just like a honeycomb. Time for a cactus-shaped poppet. Draw the cactus with its distinctive shape and spiky arms. Moving on to a star-shaped poppet. Stars are bright and shiny, so make your star poppet stand out. Last but not least, let's draw a heart-shaped poppet. Hearts are full of love, so give it lots of heartwarming details. With our rainbow poppet fidget toys drawn, it's time to make them burst with color. Get ready with your rainbow of colors. Green color. Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color.
Cool!
Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color.
Awesome!
Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color.
Wow!
Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color.
Awesome!
Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
Cool!
Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color.
Wow!
And there you have it, young artists! We've created a dazzling array of rainbow poppet fidget toys in different shapes and colors. I hope you enjoyed this vibrant and pop-tastic adventure. Goodbye, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.